welcome back to part 6 of this ARP avatar repair. We're not going to put the power supply back in just yet. I'm still going to run it off the bench power supplies because we need to replace all those tantalum capacitors. So I'll replace the bottom 2 boards first and this board, because the second 2 boards we need to replace this fader, these 2 faders, and try and get to the bottom of why we don't have a square wave on VCO1. It's there, but it's very quiet. Okay, so I've got rid of all these little ticking time bombs. So this board is done, this board is done, this board is done. I've resoldered and cleaned up this bus board, which has made everything much more reliable as well. So I think next I'm going to take off the bus board and we'll have a look at this main board here, change the pitch slider and see if we can figure out where that square wave is gone to. Everything's been quite straightforward up until now, and here we have an opportunity because there's the filter board which normally is covered in epoxy, but this one isn't, and as you can see there's some little devil tantalums down there. I don't know if you can see that, but those ones look discoloured. So I've got two choices. I can unsolder the filter board from these parts and slide them out, or I can just try and gently desolder from the top side and pull it off. I think I'm going to give that a go first. So let's have a go at these first three pins. Yeah, looks like they're riveted in. It's not a straight pinhole through, it's been squished and riveted. so we can't bring it out that way, unfortunately. So I'll just solder that back up. Okay, looks like that's moving. See if we can. Wow. And there we have it. You can definitely see some marking on there compared to one that looks good. So yeah, well worth taking this out. So really lucky this filter isn't covered in epoxy like some of them, so we can actually change these caps, especially this one here. And synthchaser.com, where I bought these excellent faders from, he was able to give the information that this one, this one, and this one for bypassing, so they don't have to be tantalums. Only this cap here, audio signal passes through. So I've got some nice power capacitors there, and I'm going to use an audio grade cap for this one here. Yep, that works. Okay. Turn the power off. So, missing oscillator. It's the last thing to look at. So looking at the circuit, this is VCO2. Luckily I can compare them against each other. Everything is fine up to this section and it all goes haywire. If we look at the working VCO pin 9Z3, so the working VCO pin 9 I get a nice triangle wave, and if we go to pin 9 we can see it's been chopped off. So considering everything's fine up to here, I'm suspecting this IC. So I'm going to pull the board out and we'll swap the ICs around and see if the fault changes. Yeah, I can get a couple of these tomorrow actually, and if they do fail, so this was the original way they were in, and if we just swap them around, double check they're in the right way. Okay, let's put that back in the machine. So if we were correct, our oscillator 1 should have a square. Yes. And pulse width. And VCO1 we should have sawtooth, and the square is quieter, so that chip was responsible. Okay, let's get a couple new ones in. Okay, so next day now, I managed to get a couple of these CA3086s from Cricklewood Electronics, which is proven to be a really good resource. Okay, got a pair new in there now to replace these two, so let's put it in and see what happens. Okay, the moment of truth. So VCO1, now with a fantastic frequency pot, and we have square wave, with LFO if we need, and VCO2, sawtooth, and square wave. And the high path now. High pass is really good. That was really flaky and cutting in and out before. And we also changed the VCA trim, which is perfect. Everything is working. Okay, this video's gone on quite long enough. We're not going to fit the power supply just yet, although we could do. But the other thing I was thinking is these knob caps. Now they're very brittle and some of them are breaking anyway. And because this synthesizer is going to go into quite a hefty student environment, I'm considering making a whole new bunch of 3D printed caps. My friend Bobuel, who's got a eBay channel, I'll give him a link down below. He makes some really nice sides for joining synths together and stuff like that. So I'm going to see if I can get him to make me up some knobs, and that way we can keep these safe with all the original components that will be kept with the synthesizer for future sale or whatever needs to happen. But I think having a set of brand new knobs that the students can use for destruction would be a really good plan. So it looks like there's going to be one more video to this series, so So if you like this, subscribe for the last episode, hopefully, of restoring this ARP avatar. Catch you next time.